So hi guys, welcome here to my YouTube channel. You are watching Bit Builder Productions and I am your teacher Zuhaib Khalid. In this video we are going to learn these Linux commands, and these are most important and basic Linux commands. The Linux command that it is important for the students that are learning operating system as a subject, and also for the students that have interest in cybersecurity, so they will be working with Ubuntu or any other Linux environment. So these are important. So the first command in our list is ls. ls stands for list file and directory. By ls we can list all the files in our directory. First of all, let me tell you, we are right now in desktop directory. All the files that we will be creating will be shown here, and also you can view it here by going to desktop manually by GUI. So put it here and we will be working in it, and all the files will be showing in it. First of all, ls stands for list file and directories. By ls we have listed the files and directory that are in our current folder desktop. Like this is the folder Zuhaib, it's here, and this is a file document, this is a text file document. So by ls we can view all type of files, and there are two extensions of ls. First extension is ls-l. By ls-l we can see all the details of our files, there, for example, when they were created, what's the size of the files, and all the things like that. For example, here it is the time when I created the file, March 3, and all the things like this. And the second extension is ls-a. By typing ls-a we can view all the files that are hidden. For example, you can see that there are two files hidden in my folder, .hidden and .hidden.txt. When we will be saving a hidden file, we save it by a dot extension, a dot at the start. For example, let me show you that how we do that. First of all, go to text editor. I am making a file, so it is a file, it is a text file. So when we will be saving it, desktop, go to desktop, and now type the name of the file. For example, I am typing, it is a dot and my file. The name of the file is .my file, you can see, and now I have saved, but there is no file showing here. Close it. I can view this file here, ls and -a. It is showing here .my file, but in GUI it is not showing. No file is showing in GUI cause it is hidden from the others. You can also show it here in GUI by going to this option here, show hidden files, and you can see all the hidden files, .hidden.txt and .my file. These two files were created at before. I was created these files, these two, and I have created this right now. So this was ls. Let me repeat. ls shows, first of all, clear the screen. Let me repeat. ls stands for list file and directory. By ls-l you can view all the details of your files, and by ls-a you can see that which files are hidden in your directory. All the files will be showing by ls-a, the hidden files and the files that are in our directory. Okay, so this was our first command. So the second command in our list is cd. cd stands for change directory. With cd we can change the directories or folders. By ls you can see all the folders that are currently in this directory. We are in Zuhaib. So these are all the folders that are in these directories. So by cd we can go to any folder. For example, we are going to desktop right now. cd desktop, we are currently in desktop. So there are two folders, there is a file and a folder in desktop. Here is the file and here is the folder. We can go to Zuhaib, cd zo, we are currently in Zuhaib, and we can go back in directories by cd dot. So by cd we can navigate through directories. The third command in our list is pwd. By pwd we can print our working directory in which we are currently in. For example, I am right now in home Zuhaib. For example, let me show you. cd desktop, cd zuheb, and now I am printing my working directory. By pwd we can simply check that where we are right now. We can print our working directory. So our third command is cp. The syntax of cp stands for copy. The syntax is simple, very simple. First of all we have to name the file. First of all we have to type the name of the file that we want to copy. For example, let me show you the template. There is a video I want to copy. The cp command for copy, the name of the file I want to copy, and then the destination of the file where I want to copy. For example, I want to copy it in home. This is the name of the file I want to copy. So let me show you how I will be doing this. I have created two folders in desktop, a bit. Delete this video first. There is a folder bit, now it is empty, and now there is a folder zuheb and there is a video in it. I have to copy the video from zuheb folder to bit folder. So let's do it in terminal. First of all, let me check where I am by working. Right now I am in bit folder. So first of all, go back, cd dot. Now I have to go to zuheb, from where I want to copy the video, ls. So here is the video I want to copy. So to copy the video, first of all type the command cp for copy, then name of the file. Video is the name of the file I want to copy, and then it's very simple, the destination where I want to copy. So the destination is, here is the video. I have to go back once, then go to bit folder and paste it in there. Okay, so the destination of the file will be dot to go back to the previous folder, slash and bit. So it's done. So let's check. Cd dot go to the previous folder, and now go to our bit folder. That was a typo. Cd bit. So you can see here there is a video in here. Okay, cd video. So yeah, there is a video in here. Okay, there was no video in here at before. I was deleted it, but by copying you can see here. The fourth command is move. So let me clear the terminal first. Move command is very similar to copy command. In move command we have to first type the syntax move, and then the name of the file, and then the destination. So we will be doing in the same directory, desktop. First of all, let me delete this video, and let me delete it. It's deleted, and there is a video in zuheb directory. So I will be moving this video from zuheb to bit directory. Move command is used for two things: moving a file and renaming a file. So we will be checking both. First of all, I will be moving this video from zuheb to bit. So let's do this. First of all, go to zuheb directory. Currently I am in bit directory. So here I am in bit directory. You can see desktop bit. So to go back, we have already learned this, cd dot. Right now I am in desktop directory, so I have go to zuheb. Currently I am in zuheb directory. So here is a video in it that I want to copy. So first of all, type the command move, the name of the file video, and where I want to move it, dot slash bit. I want to move it here, enter. So you can see that there is a video in bit right now. There was no video at before, and there will be no video in zuheb. There is no video in here. So it is simply move command. Okay, so let me show you that how we use move command to rename a file. So first of all, right now our video is in bit folder. So go back, we are going to bit folder right now. Cd dot cd and bit. My mobile is ringing, so let it go. Right now we are in bit folder. There is a video in it. So if I want to change the name, so first of all, move command, and then name of the file, and its syntax is simple. We have to understand it. Cd name of the file before, which name you want. It's like this. First of all, we have to type move command, then name of the file before, what is the name of the file right now, and then which name you want. So let me show you. Move, the name of the file before is video, which name I want bit builder. Okay, I want bit builder, press enter. Right now it's changed, so ls, you can see that its name is now bit builder. So this was move and rename command. So you can see here its name is now bit builder. So our sixth command is remove. We basically use the remove command to delete files. Delete, remove, these are both same. So first of all, let me show you that where we will be working. We will be working here. In Zuhaib there are two files, bit builder and document. So first of all, let me look in which directory I am. I am in home Zuhaib. So cd, so ls. So first of all, go to the cd desktop and here Zuhaib. Oh, clear the screen. We use the clear command to clear the screen. Unless you can see that there are two files in here. So we have to use the remove command to delete file. For example, remove document. Now you can see that there is no document in here. So look at this. Now there is a video in here. RM, what's the name of the video? Bit builder. So press enter. Video is deleted too. So this is the remove command. File, our seventh command is make directory. For example, let me show you. First of all, let me check where I am right now. My current directory, I am in homes web. I will be making a directory in, let me show you, in here. You can see in desktop there are two directories and a file. I'm going to make another directory, another folder. Let's say cd and desktop. You can see desktop. Now let's see, there are two folders in here and a text file. Let's make another folder. Let's make mk stand for make and directory stand for directory. Make directory, what's the name of the folder I am going to make? I am going to make a folder like, let's go Linux. Okay, let's see. Now you can see that there is another folder named Linux is created. Let's create another folder. Make directory Unix ls. There is another folder created. Okay, so this was make directory folder with make directory. You can also see here Linux, Unix, all the folders that are in desktop are created here. Okay, so this was our make directory commands. So our command number 8 is remove directory. For example, like here I have created two folders. You can see make directory Linux here and make directory Unix, and you can see here there are two folders that I have just created. Now let's delete one of these or delete both. Let's see, remove, I have already covered the command remove in fourth command, I think. Now let's remove directory, rmdir for removing the directory. What's the name of the directory? I am going to remove Unix. Look at this, look here, I have pressed enter and Unix is deleted. Now let's see. Now you can see here there is Unix in the above one and there is no Unix in here. So Unix is deleted. Now delete another one, rmdir. Now remove directory Linux. You can see Linux is also deleted. So it was our remove command, remove directory command. So our command number 9 is nano. Nano is basically used to make and edit text files within the terminal. So let's see. Let's first of all see in which directory we are in. We are in Zuhaib. We are doing all our work in desktop. So let's go to desktop. Let's see. So, typo. We are going to create first a text file Zuhaib Khalid. Okay. Okay. So, and this is the editor. Let me show you. Text text editor. So this is the same text editor, but it is in the terminal and it is in the GUI. Let's write something in here. I am a student. Okay, so to save it we are going to press Ctrl+O, and to save the name, let's see here, file name to write. It is asking for file name. What name I want to give it? I am going to give it a name, a laptop. laptop and press enter. Save file under different name, yes. Why? Okay, so it's wrote. Now control plus X to exit it. Now it's exited, and you can see here a text here, a laptop text file is created, and I am a student is written in it. It's nano. And the last and the most important command is installing a file. It's not a command, but it is a package of, you can say not package of, but it is used for different purposes, not like remove, make directory and things like this. The name of the command is apt install. We use apt install to install packages. For example, let me tell you, if I want to update, apt update, this will update all the directories. No, it is not doing so because I don't have permission. You have seen in Windows, when we try to install a file, it shows that administrator permission required, and we have to do yes. So first of all, we are going to do sudo su for administrator permission, and we have to write our password in here, z0. I was going to call my password. I was going to tell you my password. So I have done administrator. Now I'm an administrator. Now update all the things, apt update. You can see updation is started in here. It works like this. So by apt command we can install something. So let's install C++ first. Let it end. Oh, it's 10 packages can be upgraded, so it's updated. So let's run a command apt install G++. We are going to install C++. Let's install C++, and I will combine both of nano and C++ and show you that how this works. I will make a C++ file with nano and tell you it's taking 4 minutes and 21 seconds to install C++. Approximately C++ is installed in our system, and now it is installed. It is just executing now. No, it is installed. Let's check C++ is installed or not. G++ version, and you can see where is that one. Where is it? You can see that C++ installed. Okay, let's try to make a program. Nano, what the file name? File name is file.cpp, and here we can write our code. I have already written, so let me paste it. Hash include. It's a simple code. It's just printing hello world. Save it, control O, and file name is file.cpp, and exit it. So first of all, what we are going to do is run the code in the terminal. To run the code, g++ hello.cpp/o and hello. Okay, now the file name is file. We have to write here file.cpp and /o and file. Press enter. You can see that it's here. The C++ file is created here, and this one the executive file, the exe file that is created by this command. Okay, so let's execute it. For execution /, the name of the file is hello. The name of the file is file./file. Okay, and you can see hello world. Okay.